kakak saya buka hadiah.
Yes, we're going to open gift from my tita, Mima. Ini hadiah siapa?
Ito, mama. Ilo ma. Uy, mang tero na to.
Ito ba? Let's see what's inside. Aning tabang. Okay, buka. Banyak niya.
Ah, sakit.
Lagi sunod. Hadiah Uncle dan Tita Mami.
Help me.
Apa ini?
Sled.
Inside.
Something.
It's a box. Open.
I open this.
Ano ko yan? Dua ko loe ko magsambong putos ko.
Ito lang.
Let's see what's inside.
Aning, kakabuka bir. Oh, cakap-cakap saja.
Cakap na.
Sakalay na siya ako.
There is something in the here. Yes, something here.
Something here.
What's
something?
Inagiret. No. What's
Look,
inside?
Wait, it should put in the
Sit there na, oh.
truck. What's there? It's something with
Guys, it's so big, Max.
when it's a man.
Aduh, banyak sudah ini semutnya. Wait. Let's see what's inside. Wait. Nabagsak reject na. Let's see what's inside. Natibak sa ano ko to, oh. Baksayan, lubas. Tangal busy, lubas sa...
There's so many
candy! Wow! Hina kan nakapito. Wow! Many candy!
So many.
So banyak niya candy.
So many.
Lollipop!
That's not one.
Wow! Nagkalo ako nagkalo? Wala kayo nagkalo na magkalo ka? Majari?
What this?
Apa ini? Banyak niya. Wow! Apa ini? Kenapa sudah mengambil na? Mengambil sudah ini orang-orang ini.
Nakapito.
What's this? Apa ini? Banyaknya. Wah, aku tahu nih Maggie kayak ini. Oh, ada lagi satu. Let's see what's inside, guys. There's so many like this. Ano ito lang hinahanap mo to, oh? Wala ko tanak mo to, oh. Ay, nalangog na si Zahra. Ati mag-vlog-vlog.
Di sini lang aning. Sana lang ko bila
Let's see what's inside. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7. 8. Get naka one only. Get naka one only. Hi guys, so we have 7. This one, I don't know what's inside. So let's try to open it one by one. Let's try to open it. Help me Ning, to open what's inside. Oh, apa ini? So mysterious. Ada lagi pink niya guys, pink box.
Apa
We'll try Included kay niya. Oh.
Wow! Something in the hair.
What is this? Oh! Ingredients!
You got
Rendang ayam, daging sama daging. Wow! Di, titingo ni. Oh! Apa ini kampung fried rice seasoning. Oh, fried rice. Apa ini nasi goreng? Nasi goreng seasoning. Nugget nu nama. Oh. It's pang soup, buki garni. We have kayu manis, bunga lawa, and the rest. I don't know the rest. And let's see the others. What is this? Oh, apa nih? Bawang goreng. Bawang ayun ba? Fried garlic. Oh, it's delicious for fried rice. So I have only 4 left. Let's see more. Wow, I really like this. Thanks a lot. May gagamitin na ako. Let's try this one.
Pero ito in bal.
Apa nih? Oh, sama juga.
Bal?
Oh, it's the same. 2. I got 2. For nasi goreng. Let's see guys, what's inside pa. Wow! Wow! Apa nih? Parencha soup. Soup powder is for chicken. Wow! More ingredients. Salamat Shopee. Terima kasih Shopee. See more. Apa nih? Wow! Sarap ng kari ayam dan daging. Wow! For curry. It's for curry. For curry and beef. More ingredients. I only have one left. Let's see what's inside this.
Paragan balo number na.
Oh, kari ikan is for fish. Fish curry. This one. I really like that. This. Oh. Already open. So I got this one. I got this for ayam and beef. I got for ikan, fish, fried rice, and then rendang. I have rendang powder here and chicken for soup, and that's fried garlic for fried rice or basta. And this one is for soup.
It's for you.
So let's try to open this worn up hanky. As you can see, ada 6 like this. Let's try to open. Oh. Oh, ini magi kan nih?
Miss!
Ay, magi niya. Magi, my favorite. Mini Carry.
And then I give this.
Oh, sedap oh, sedap. Apa nih? Mie goreng. Mie goreng. Oh, let's try to open pa. Another Maggi Carry.
What is this?
So all this one is noodle.
I think
Oh,
in the hair
another set.
something.
May baon na ako pag Puerto. Abang-abang mga taga Puerto.
Wait na lang ah.
Marami akong baon pa uwi. And this one, another mie goreng. That's all guys inside this pink packets. I have 2 sedap, 2 Maggi curry, 2 Maggi curry, and 2 mie goreng. So let's proceed to the is warna pink. Pink box. Let's try to open it.
I wanted to know what's this.
You also want to know what's inside?
I want to know what's this.
Ooh, apa ini? So mysterious.
Wait na.
Apa ni?
Lulu ada hatos real ko. Hatos ringgit pala makanila.
Ano ang ito?
Double dip nga.
Na, magkaat na. Narusak na niya. Oo. Apa ni?
Secret.
Alam ko na ito.
Ano yan?
Kusina ko ini?
Basta nalugyan.
Laring na pen ba? Piso na pen. Laring na pen. Laring halagaan 12,000 eh. Apa ini? Guys, I think I know what's inside this.
What?
Oh, we have kitchenware. Wow, meron ako nilagay ng cookies. Borha ni Ina, pauwi. Let's try to open. Tingnan natin guys. Wow. Wow, may pangbaunan na tayo. Babasagin siya.
Where you
It's
have
glass.
that? Where do you have?
Wow.
Wow. Is something in the here?
3 inside. 1 big and 2 small. Chantik. Oh. Let's proceed to the other one. Meron pa tayong isa guys. Nagtagalog na ako. Sorry sa channel.
Something.
Hindi ko ba marunong magmalayo. Bisaya na lang ba? Ayan. Thank you.
This us.
So let's proceed to this one. It's kind of big and I really don't know what's inside. Let's try to open it again and again. Guys,
I don't know.
wow. So very Gatunggo to gula-gula. Nanti ada ka na.
Dada.
Oh, tunggo gula-gula. Ooh, ayan too. Oh, another box. It's color green.
It's called this.
Vermicide. Mama. Sa to mama. Sa to kotak.
Wow, it's kind of big.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
You want some candy pa, Hera?
Amia candy.
Ooh, apa ini ya? Let's see. Mama soup. Mama soup ka ini. Baka naman, Mama soup Malaysia. Sponsor.
Wait na.
This video is not sponsor.
Nandana bukaon na sa lulu ko Lucina.
Mi ba to?
Aho.
Mi, satu. Ay, naku, Kaya ko candy inside, many. Oh, many. Kuhain kita ya? Kasi ambil Wow. Let's see, guys. Ooh. May konsumo tayo, guys. Favorite ko pa naman tong mini. Let's see. Wow! Banyak niya. So many.
One.
I like this talaga. Sana more pa. Baka naman. More pa, day. Asa na yung mga tita at tito ko? Baka naman. Banyak ni. 6 ko. Anam, guys.
Baka naman.
Bili na kayo, ha. Pagdating ko sa Puerto, guys, baka naman. Pera na lang to, ha. Palit natin sa pera. Yan.
Balik na
I will show you guys what's everything in here. Inside. Wow! Favorite ko to. This is my favorite. Favorite ko ini. Mama niya.
Thailand.
Ooh.
Hindi sulat ng Thailand.
Yan, guys.
Hindi sila ako magbakta.
Ako sada.
Hindi sila ako magbakta.
May nagdakan na mo.
May mayari. Yan, baka naman, mama, mali siya.
This one eh. Hindi ka sila?
Banyak makanan, guys. Konsumo for one month. Ini ni, adala ni.
Generator, makalo.
So very, wow, hekano, oh. Maggie, more Maggie.
Telepon ko.
More ini. Wow, may pang breakfast na bukas. Guys, I have this so many. Ooh.
Petak na. Petak.
Oh. Order tayo ng maraming ganito. Yan. Yan na, guys. Yung gift, guys, from Malay. Alam nyo naman, lapit-lapit tayo sa Malay. Tita natin sa Malay and tita natin. Tita Panday. Tita Panday. Ooh. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Hindi na ako na.
Nailan na kindi na. Wow, manay gula-gula.
It's so many.
Ako nangis na videos, bibihero.
Ay,
Ako ginangis. Banyak bulak-bulak, guys.
Pangatiguhin nyo,
Yaman nangis ito, guys.
mau dia guys.
Yes.
Okay,
Comment, guys. Comment in comment box below. And share this video if you want. Subscribe to this channel. Of course, my tita, Mima Hamima. And I really love this one, really. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Terima kasih tanta sa mga Uncle Tots, sa mga aning, for being with me, unboxing this gift.
Okay.
Kasi ano, comment.
Babay yun na.
Bye!